Don't just assume that little top isn't going to mean anything. 10 million people do that. You got 10 million pieces of little tops. That's what's laying up and down here. One of those things that we could all do for ourselves and the environment and helping each other is just picking up after ourselves. This is an opportunity to try to pick up trash from our world's oceans. Now, I'm on an inland sea known as the Great Lakes. This is Lake Michigan. This is one of the most precious resources we could ever have. That's all fresh water. No salt, no sharks, no jellyfish, no barracudas, just fresh water. The only thing dangerous out here are the currents for swimming. It's a travesty to think of the amount of plastics that we're producing. % of the surface fresh water in the United States is in these Great Lakes. Take personal responsibility, because that works in real life. Put your trash in the proper place. Don't leave it out on the beach. Pick up after your kids. Pick up after your friends. Don't leave garbage laying around getting our water systems. This water eventually makes its way out to the ocean. It goes all the way over Niagara Falls and out the St. Lawrence Seaway, and eventually this water will be going into the Atlantic Ocean. So this is an inland sea. Obviously, there's a lot of plastics here. It's heading to the oceans if we don't pick it up. See, I'm afraid some of this is from fireworks as well. A lot of bottle caps. Michigan man, born and raised, and I've grown up on these waters. I've lived and played in these waters all my life, and I've never seen the beaches look like this ever. Look, I know you don't want to watch me just picking up garbage all through this video. We need to make the point that this isn't made up. It's almost like we're on a crime scene, like we're gathering evidence. Go to your local beach, go to your local river, go to your favorite inland lake. Take some container to pick up the pieces. I encourage you to do this. Pick it up, take it back and weigh it. See how much you picked up. If we multiply that by all of us, we could see what we could accomplish by picking this up. It's the appreciation of it all starts with us. We need to stop littering. This is all personal responsibility. Only personal responsibility. That's all it takes. And what you can do, join in on the campaign. That means each of us has to contribute by trying to clean up this mess. Be a part of the solution, not a part of the problem. Well, this is a great opportunity to be a part of the solution, because that works in real life.
What are we going to find? Don't know. How much are we going to find? Don't know. Let's continue on.